Every year, April 21 is observed by all civil services to rededicate and recommit themselves to the cause of the people. It provides a unique opportunity for introspection and also for working out future strategies to deal with the challenges being posed by the ever-changing times. April 21 is chosen as National Civil Service Day to commemorate the day when first Home Minister of Independent India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, addressed the first batch of civil servants in 1947 at the Metcalfe House, New Delhi. In his speech, he referred to the civil servants as the steel frame of India. The day is dedicated to all those who are involved in civil service in order to commemorate their exemplary services. The first National Civil Service Day function was held in Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi on April 21, 2006. On this day, Prime Minister's Awards for Excellence in Public Administration are also presented to districts or implementing units for implementation of priority programs and innovations in different categories. These awards on the Civil Services Day each year bring together civil servants to connect with each other and learn the best practices being implemented across the nation in the field of governance. India's bureaucracy is rightly called the steel frame, and the civil servants are its backbone. Civil servants have played a pioneering role in nation building, and they continue to work hard in realizing the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat.